going to be discussed today, and what's going to be discussed today is pretty much my Java exam assessment. It's a Java assessment. Pretty much going to assess my skills and how much I know about Java. So that's what it's going to be based on. So without further ado, let's get it and let's go. So when a class implements to comparable interface, what method must be also be implemented? Compared to what is a valid print statement? So system.out print in welcome to Duke's Choice Shop. And then yeah, that's pretty much what's being installed here, man. So welcome to Duke's Choice Shop. System.out print in welcome to Duke's Choice Shop. Given employee department equals new employee 10. What exception occurs when you try adding an 11th employee to the department, man? So because it's an index that's out of bounds, and it's an array, because it's pretty much like a range. It'd be array index out of bounds exception. You have an array of clothing objects called items. The clothing class has public fields for size and price. You create a loop to calculate the total price of items. How would you add an if statement to ensure an item is only added to the total if it's the same size as the customer C1? Assume the customer class has a public string field size. So for public C items, so this is pretty much what we're dealing with here. And, so a customer class contains an encapsulated array field of clothing items. How would you write a get items method in the customer class to return these items? You write a method to calculate the average price of all clothing items owned by a customer. This method adds the price of all items, then divides this value by the number of items. If there are no items, your method will attempt to divide by zero. What type of exception must you guard against in this scenario? You have a custom class with public string field size. In the program's main method, you create a custom instance C1. How do you consolidate the switch statement, which is used to set sizes based on an integer variable measurement? Clothing item 1 equals new clothing blue jacket 20.1. I already declare the clothing structure. So public clothing string description, double price, and string size. Clothing class objects. So according to this course, what library should add to your project on Oracle Cloud? Hey,
Thank you.
welcome. Yeah. Oh snap! Sorry. It's not enough. Thank you very much. Take care. God bless.